In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your video, and you can do it without the sound. You can also do it with the sound. But most of the times when you speed up the video, it is usually without the sound, without the audio track. So first thing I want to do is select this clip and go to inspector, go to audio and completely mute it. If you want, you can remove the audio track. How do you do that? Just disable the link selection here and select the audio file and press backspace and the audio track is gone. Okay, let's see how to speed up the file. We'll right click on the file and we are going to say change clip speed. Once you do that, you are going to come here near the speed box here. Click on it and hold it. Drag it to the right and change the speed to whatever percentage you want. Let's say I have changed it to 400. It has changed the speed to 400%, and now our file that was 45 seconds long is now 11 seconds long. You can do the opposite as well. I'm going to go back. I'm going to say change clip speed and I'm going to dial it down. So now from 100, I'm going to put it as 50. Once I do that, let's see what happens. 54, okay? Change. You see the duration has not changed, which means that you might have to drag this clip until the end if you want to see the entire clip. Now check the duration. It is 1 minute 23 seconds. That's how you know it has worked. Let's play it. It is extremely slow. Okay. Now let's go back and make it to normal. Or you can just do undo, but I'm just going to double click here and put 100. Enter. And I'll play it. This is the normal speed of my clip. You saw that? This is how you can actually speed up, speed it down, make it normal on DaVinci Resolve. I hope you enjoy it and try it out and let me know if you face any issues while doing so.